grab your cinnamon sticks. Mine, I normally store them in a jar. So the benefits of cinnamon water for hair: number 1, it stimulates hair growth. Number 2, controls hair loss. Number 3, it strengthens hair. And number 4, it prevents hair damage. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel and kindly subscribe. So I decided to grind mine into powder form. You can see how it has turned out. It is so nice, so nice. Yeah, you can see it. You can have a look at that. So soft and so nice. So the next step is putting small quantities in a spoon. That is how I measured mine. And then I put the second one. During this time, I was heating my water in the jug so that it can be warm. So I'm adding some hot warm water to the mixture of cinnamon. Then afterwards I had lit my stove and then I put that for it to come to boil. I left it to cool down for a while so that I can sieve it into the cup. That is me trying to look for something to hold the sufuria with, the pot with. I finally got it. Sieving the cinnamon water into the cup. That's done now. Our water is ready to be used, but it is still hot at the moment. Then I took my kettle, my sprayer bottle, and some water, some extra water that is fresh. So I put the cinnamon water into the kettle and then decided to add some water so that I can dilute it because it was concentrated. Then afterwards I was trying to put it on my sprayer bottle. Now it is very ready to use. It is very ready to use. It is not so much cold, it's kind of warm now. Finally, that is our final product. It's very healthy to the hair. Yeah, we are good to go now, finally.